Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. This week we're talking about CMMC Control AC.L2-3.1.10. Use session lock with pattern hiding displays to prevent access and viewing of data after period of inactivity. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all the CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. So in CMMC Control AC.L2-3.1.10, sounds like a secret code to get into a speakeasy. We're mandated to make sure that if someone else might somehow be viewing our screen while typing in a password, that they could not easily view what our password might be. Great example of this is your shoulder surfing. That is, someone is walking by and grabs your password while you're typing it in, or even in a screen sharing session, right? You got to type in a password to help the tech support representative. In regards to the defined period of inactivity piece, this is easily accomplished with login timeouts and screen lock timeouts. After a certain number of minutes of inactivity, which of course would indicate perhaps nobody's really sitting at the keyboard anymore, that's how you would get it done. Now, if I was assessing you, there are 3 points that I have to assess you based off of. First, I've got to determine if the period of inactivity after which the system initiates a session lock is defined. Now, what's the answer to that? If I was giving a sample answer, I would definitely notate the screen lock timeout policy. Maybe you want to set it to 5 minutes, 3 minutes, maybe it needs to be 15 minutes. Whatever it may be, a screen lock timeout policy will definitely help you to lock them out after that period of inactivity. Make sure a password is required. Point number 2, I'm going to assess you on. Determine if access to the system and viewing of data is prevented by initiating a session lock after the defined period of inactivity. And if we were to give an answer to that, we might say, yes, policy is enforced and demonstrated and linked, right? We want to make sure that group policy we mentioned above is actually enforced. And the final third assessment point is I would determine if previously visible information is concealed via a pattern hiding display after the defined period of inactivity. Again, I would say yes, it is. After a screen lock occurs, typing in a password will result in character input being masked. That's those little dots that show up when you type in your password. That's the masking. And hey, if you are struggling figuring this stuff out, you're not alone. I promise you're not alone. Get like literally hundreds of calls a day. And on call, we work with defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their lap like a seagull on a sunny day. We teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. If you love the content we're putting out there for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. And I'll see you on the next one.